Welcome to your go-to guide for setting up an IPTV app. Today, we'll be diving into the essentials of getting you started with IPTV channels. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your streaming, we've got you covered. First, let's choose the right app. One of the top recommendations is Carbon Player, a modern replacement for the defunct Ultramedia player. You can easily find it on the App Store or Google Play Store. Download and install it on your device. It's that simple. Next, you'll need to load your M3U playlists into the app. For this, you might consider Smarter's IPTV, another excellent app that allows easy loading of M3U files. Simply open the app, navigate to Settings, and select Add Playlist. Input the URL of your M3U file here. Once your playlist is loaded, it's time to explore your channels. IPTV services can offer a wide range of options. Free global channels in various languages, including English and Hindi. Search for a service with a good reputation to avoid common pitfalls like lagging streams. Now let's talk about troubleshooting. If you experience buffering, try lowering the video resolution. Most IPTV apps allow you to adjust settings easily. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable. A wired connection is often more reliable than Wi-Fi for streaming. Lastly, remember to keep your app updated. Developers frequently release updates to enhance performance and add new features. For Carbon Player and Smarter's IPTV, check for updates in the App Store regularly to enjoy uninterrupted service. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy a world of IPTV content. If you found this guide useful, please like this video, subscribe for more tips, and share your experiences in the comments below.